Have you ever tried to use ElevenLabs and suddenly received a warning, restriction, or your account stopped working? The problem might not be your account. It could be your IP address. In 2026, more users are running into the same IP problem, especially when multiple people use the same network, create multiple accounts, or access ElevenLabs from shared locations. So why does this happen? ElevenLabs, like many online platforms, uses security systems to detect unusual activity. If several accounts are connected from the same IP address and show similar behavior, the system may think there is suspicious activity. Common reasons include multiple accounts using the same Wi-Fi network, shared office, school, or public internet connections, creating many free accounts from one IP, using automation tools too aggressively, repeated failed login attempts. But getting flagged doesn't always mean you did something wrong. Sometimes your IP is shared with other users, especially when using public networks or certain internet providers. So how can you fix it? First, avoid creating multiple accounts. Using one legitimate account is always the safest option. Second, secure your account with a strong password and use official login methods. Third, if you're on a shared network, try switching to a different connection, such as your mobile data, to check if the issue is related to your IP. You can also restart your router if your internet provider gives you a dynamic IP address. Another important step is checking your account activity. Remove unknown devices and make sure nobody else is using your account. The biggest mistake people make is immediately trying to bypass restrictions with random VPNs or multiple accounts. This can create even more security problems. The best solution is keeping your activity normal, using one account, and contacting ElevenLabs support if you believe the flag was a mistake. So if ElevenLabs is giving you problems, don't immediately blame the platform. Your IP address, network activity, or account behavior could be the reason. Fix the cause, and you'll usually get back to creating AI voices without issues. If you want more ElevenLabs troubleshooting guides, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.